People called this primitive, but this stick is doing something your toothbrush doesn't. Before toothpaste existed, people brushed with trees. And those trees weren't just cleaning teeth. They were releasing natural chemicals that fight bacteria. When you chew it, the fibers split into a brush, physically breaking plaque. But at the same time, it releases compounds like alkaloids and tannins, weakening the bacteria itself. So this isn't just brushing. It's a dual action system. Mechanical cleaning and chemical attack at the same time. Some studies even show antimicrobial effects comparable to modern oral care when used correctly. So the real question isn't, is this primitive? It's how much science we ignored because it looked simple.